This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 75 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. In this issue, we're continuing with the foot, left? I don't know which foot it is we're doing. Let's have a look through. Did it say which foot? Left foot. Yes, we're continuing with the left foot because we've done the entire right leg. Let's look at Shane Dyson first, Tessa Yeager's pilot boyfriend. Pilot? Don't know. About the pilot. One of the racing car drivers. I can't remember now. But there we go. The hardest decision, leaving Cybertron behind. Never easy choice, leaving your home. But there we go. Nightbird, the attack ninja. Strictly speaking, Nightbird is not Cyberonian. Ultimate mode built by a human. Oh, right. Human robot, basically, yeah. Decepticons. Yeah, we'll talk about Decepticons. Starscream, yeah. Thundercracker. It doesn't look like Starscream to me, but there you go. Mudflap. Who names these? I mean, in the universe word, they name themselves, or I don't know. So this is part 3 of the left foot. We've done our first couple of bits. This is the front of the left foot is added to the heel assembly. So we've got some parts to assemble and then add it to the bit that we've been building on. A few little screws and bolts and things to go together, hold that all together. And then a guard plate. I remember that bit. So yeah, we'll get straight to that and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. From before, we've got our already assembled heels. We'll put that to one side for a moment. These are the parts we've got today. A couple of metal parts, a couple of plastic parts. Pretty much a normal combination of things. So first up, we are using that bit. No, we're adding to this piece. Yes, we're adding that bit, that bit to that bit. There we go. It goes on through there, round there, onto that post. Not there. That's not the post. I'm looking at the wrong bit all over again. Where are we? There we go. That's that. It's going onto that post. The big hole goes over there. And that lines up with that. And we need an SP screw to hold that together. Get that in there. Go all the way down. There we go. So we've got a couple of different screws. That's a LP. So this must be SM. This is SP, but it is going into metal, so I think they mean M. Seeing as that's the only one that I've got. Got some washers there and other plastic bits there, so that's definitely the right one. Through there. To there. Right, there we go. Then we've got to get that tightened up more than that. Actually, all the way down. Always worth checking to make sure things are secure and tight. Better. Right, then that's going on to there. That. Oh no, it goes on that bit. It's just twisted round in the picture. That goes on there. Flat side, and there's a flat bit there, so you've got to get it the right way round. There you go. That'll go on there. Then we're putting that to one side. Then we're going to be adding this to this. There and there. We need one of these discs. Let's get all of those out because we're going to be using all of those. The disc needs to go onto there with that bit upwards. And that locates in place on there anyway. That's that. Then that's going to go on there that way round. That's just going against there. Right. No bolt holding that together, so that won't go on there quite yet. We're going to need that for the other side. Right, so that's going on there. That's going on the other side like that as well. That won't stay there, obviously. And then this piece is going on the other side like that. Well, that goes on there like that. So they'll go together. And we need an SP screw to hold that together. Again, they mean SM because it's metal. So this is the tricky bit, getting that on there while that's on there. So that's got to go on there the other way up, like that. That bit goes on there. That's got a little bit that goes in the middle, so that's going to be easier to get that located in place. Then we can get that on the top. That together, like that. But we do need it the other way up, because that's the side that the screw goes in there. So that should go in, hold that together, and that's just enough to hold all of that together as well. Nearly. It's got to go tighter than that, so I'm going to need a bigger screwdriver for that. That one should do it. More meaty. Should do it. No, that still needs to go in a little bit more than that. It's tight. A lot of these are quite tight fitting parts that need to be done up really quite tight. Backwards and forwards a little bit to break the painting in the groove. There we go, that'll do that. And that's on there, not tight, but on there enough. Now I'll find out that I got it the wrong way up. Let's just double check. No, that is the right way up. There we go. So that's on there. All right, now that bit goes on the middle. Through there. Through there. Go through there. Not through there. The other side. And into there, because it's only got one way to go. So that goes through there like that, and that will go all the way through everything. Like that. And from the other side of that, that is an LP screw, which is in fact an LP screw. And there's only one of them, so that's left. That's none of them left. That will go through there. And that will help hold everything together. That should give us a bit of friction to that. Yeah, that holds in place quite nicely. Happy with that. Then we need to add a little washer bit over there. Over there. Let me just make sure that I can't get that any tighter before I cover it over completely. With that, I'm not going to be able to get into that again very easily. So that covers over that. Nice, except I needed a washer under that. That's what the washers are for. So let's get that out of there. Put that other cover back in there, because I think we only need the one. I'll take this back off. The washer in there first. better. Then that can go back together. Hold us all together. Again, still got movement on that. That's good. And then this just goes on the ball joint there, isn't it? Yes, that just fits in place on there, like that way round. Yes, that way round. Like that. Yeah, a bit like that, but not quite like that. That way around. It's that way up with the top bit. I thought that curve was that curve. And it does go downwards, which is a much nicer way of fitting it. There you go. So that's that armour piece on there. Heels and the beginning of the front of the foot, the toes. Spare bits and spare screws, as ever. That's that. Another issue completed. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you next time for, I think, the next bit of the gun. So see you soon for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.